Can you feel that? The dark, it's hungry. Best watch the shadows.
Are you the true soul? I'll take that as a yes. Listen up. Grab a torch, stay out of the dark, and move fast. The shadows have eyes. Go on!
What's next? Of what they're saying. At least they're peaceful.
This place. There's a power in these shadows. I can sense it. It's ancient. Familiar.
We'll be looking a lot like.
I can feel... The shadow curse. It doesn't seem to affect me like it does others. Not as badly, at least. Do you know what this means? I must be blessed. Lady Shar is protecting me where others are left to face her wrath. She loves me. She must do. Lady Shar wouldn't bless me like this for no reason. There must be something she wants of me. Those signs we found about Dark Justiciars, perhaps they were no coincidence. In either case, I need to watch for any place dedicated to Lady Shar. A temple, perhaps.
These boots have seen everything. Better not be cursed. Slow down. Open up.
Wits and blades always sharp.
The corpse regards you lifelessly.
Curse them shadows. Got teeth too. To the east. Need a torch.
The corpse says nothing. Perhaps if she knew, she wouldn't be dead.
Moonrise Towers. Not who. What?
The spell's power wanes. You can ask no more questions.
Let's try this way.